So here's where we are on the porch. Got the floor all finished up, and I got the posts put in over here, and the one down there at that end is in. So all the posts are in, and today I decided I'm going to start on the railing. So there's a tedious process of measuring between the posts here and here, and then you have to split that amount, that distance up, so that you have an equal spacing between the spindle and the post on both ends. I didn't show that just to spare you the agony of watching me think. So this is the part where I'm going to start putting the brackets in place. I got the bottom and top rail cut, so they're cut to length, and I've got the box of parts over there, and we're going to go ahead and try to get these screwed onto the post and get them set up. Get some spindles in here. Make this thing look nice. So because these screws go in at an angle, you have to cheat this over a little bit so that when it finally drives in, because it's going to pull in a little bit. See how it moves that over? Moves a little over, more over than I wanted it to, but I guess that's all part of learning. There. That looks pretty good. Couple more screws in here. And that's pretty good. Well, they provide some pretty decent hardware with the thing. It's all stainless steel, so that's nice. Okay, so there's the bottom rail. I had to cut this partway through a hole in order to get the same gap from the bracket to this and the bracket to that same hole on the other side. Then they've got some little self-drilling screws. These little self-drilling tech screws. And then there's a cute little plastic cap that you put through there. And that drills through the aluminum. There's aluminum channel inside here. So then that will lock this piece from moving back and forth this way. So I believe that was 2 5/16. So there's 2 5/16 right there. So it's basically touching this pole, but not touching the other one. Yeah, I got a little less than 2 1/4, but you'll never see that from the road. There. Nice little cap. So now we have to put in the spindles. So if you notice, there's a fat spot right here. That's the bottom. So those have to go in like so. And then this one goes in the middle spot right there. Fat side down. So this middle one has these little locking tab goodies on here that kind of holds this whole thing together. So I've got to make darn sure that these are all in there exactly right before I put that top rail on. Otherwise, I'm going to look silly. So it looks like the fat part is down. Here, 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 all the way down. Now, I'm going to put the top rail on. So I have to put a bracket in. Put these brackets on like so. And then they say that you're supposed to start with one end. This will be fun. Fun, not so fun. I think I need to put this one in first. And once this goes in, it's in. So I hope I did right, because that one's in there forever. Come on. I think that looks pretty good. Mm-hmm. Now they are snapped in place, and they are not going to come out. Just one word for that. Well, that's interesting. These screws go in straight. Straight in like that. So the name of these railings are Color Guard. Made in USA. They're all vinyl. And then the upper and lower rails have an extruded aluminum channel that fits in there, so it makes it nice and sturdy. Now, I wouldn't recommend sitting on this, because that would not be a good idea, but they will be sturdy enough for general purpose use. So I'll get my last 4 screws out, get these put into place, and then I think I got my first railing up, and it looks nice. It looks really nice. I'm McLovin' it. Very good. Oh, I forgot. I got to put the little, there's some decorative covers that go over here that I have to put on yet. There we go. There it is. One rail section all done. I think it looks great. I love it. All right, all I got to do is finish the rest of them off, and then hopefully my friend, neighbor Paul, is going to come over and help me put up the ceiling for fill-in work. I'm going to go ahead and get all these rails put in, and at least that part can be done. I'm going to save this one on the end for last, because I still have to put siding on that wall, and this is a natural route to bring those long pieces up onto the porch and get those put in place. So we're good to go. Hey, she's alive. Nice. That's gonna look cool at night.